How to remove watermark from video online without blur AI tutorial. To remove watermark from a video online but without using the blur thing, right? Just to remove the watermark only. There might be a couple of tools that we can help it. So what we are going to do is we're just going to type in AI watermark remover video, and we'll also type in free just so we'll only get the free websites that are shown here. Just tap on the first website because that's usually the most best option. Then tap the upload button and choose the video that maybe you had with a watermark, and then hit the done button. Once I've done that, it will start uploading that watermark and subtitle remover as well. And when it's done uploading and then you download the new video, you'll be able to notice that it does not have a watermark. Now, it might not be perfect 100% of the time, so if one time doesn't work, you can try to re-upload and re-download it as long as you don't get your desired results. If one website doesn't work, you can also try using other tools like this. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.